Okay, I'm so excited. Finally, my Viwoods AiPaper Reader has come. So in this video, I will do an unbox and also the first start and first look of it. So it will be very exciting to review this and compare it to other e-readers and so on. This is a complete e-reader. It's made for reading and also some AI built in to have a knowledge base, so you can do screenshots and add information from the AI to store in a knowledge base, so you can search that later on. That will also be exciting to try out. So instead of a stylus, this has a voice to AI feature to collect information and store information. So that will be awesome. But in this video, I will do an unboxing and check the first start of it and so on. So that will be interesting. We have the box here. You see, this is an AiPaper Reader, as you can see. Nice. So let's open the box out. Remove some plastic. As I said, I'm so excited over this. This is the most exciting device this year, 2025, I think. So this will be amazing to try out. Really, really amazing. Let's see how they have made this. Like so. Easy. Easy as pie. Okay, so here we have a cover that I probably not will use because I don't like covers. I want my devices naked. So it's nice to have in the box a cover with a frosted black glass. Here we have some foam to protect it. And here we have the device itself. Ooh, feels so good, feels so good. We will check that later on. And here we have a SIM card tray. By the way, you have 4G connection, cellular data on this device, but some people have actually seen that you can use the device as a phone. So if you set your normal SIM card in this, it will work as a phone actually, but without a speaker. It has microphones but no speaker, so you can have your headphones to use it as a phone. I will not do that, but eventually, if I like it a lot, I will use it as for mobile data with a cellular plan for that later on. But as I said, here we have a SIM card opener. And here we have a charging cable. That's nice to have in the box. USB-C to USB-C, also great to have. Love that. Let's see how long this is, because sometimes they are too short. But this is quite nice, a meter or so. So that's nice to have. What's more in the box? Probably warranty and some quick start guide, I think. But let's see that. We have a card. Okay, so you can have some guides there to download that. And here we have a quick start guide. Okay, probably not need that. But now we should check the device itself. Amazing, amazing. So here we have removing some plastic somehow, like so. Ooh. Yes. It's a bit slippery though on the back side, but it looks really gorgeous in some kind of grayish green color. Looks gorgeous. AiPaper Reader. I like that. This is a sticker. I will remove that later on. I don't like stickers on my devices. Like so. Really, really nice. I love it so far. And on the side here we have the SIM card tray. It looks like an iPhone 6 in the design. Rounded corners and so on. On the top we have an antenna. We have the power button, I think it is, or an AI button maybe. But power button I think it is, and this is the AI button. I think that. And here we have a volume rocker that you can use for page turns. Clicky volume buttons. And here we have USB-C, we have microphones. This could be a speaker, but people have said on the web that it isn't speaker. So that will be awesome to try out too. So let's do a first start then. I will not set this up in this video. I will do videos later on, so this is just a first start. As you see, black and white e-ink display. It looks gorgeous. It will have front light but no warm light, but it will be a very balanced front light, so it doesn't have so cold light. It will be on the balance to warm and cold, so in the middle, quite normal light. So the front light will be awesome for that. So let's take my glasses, but I think you don't find Swedish here, so I need to choose English, and it's English there. So here we should add a Wi-Fi network, like so. Here you see we have immediate an update for this. So I will update this and do the rest in another video, but as you see here, looks gorgeous. And at the top we see the knowledge base where you can store information using AI and your voice and screenshots and so on. That will be really interesting to try. And we have this, and you can turn that off in the menu. I think you can just click on that to turn that off. How do you go back? Like so. So now I have turned that off. I have seen on the web that some people doesn't know how to turn that off, but that's very easy to do, as you saw. And this should have Google Play Store support, but you need to activate and the license for that and so on. So it could be a bit fiddly to do. So I will do that later on too. But first I will update this. So I think this will be it for this video. I can turn off the light to see how good it is without light, as you see here. Looks gorgeous, this display. I think this display is gorgeous, as you see. And now it says best display. I will probably use fast mode because I do that on my AiPaper Mini. So I think this will be it for this video then. Okay, bye.